Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Heavenly and Exceptional Living. Today I'm going to be making a yum and sweet treat milkshakes, and it's going to be really fun, simple and easy to make, so yeah, I can't wait. First, decorate the glasses for your Oreo and vanilla milkshakes. You can do whatever pattern you like. I'm going to do some swirls, and I'm also going to add some chocolate at the bottom of the glasses. For the vanilla milkshake, blend together milk and ice cream. For the Oreo milkshake, blend together milk, ice cream, and some crushed Oreo biscuits. Now add some whipped cream to your Oreo and vanilla milkshakes, and then you can add some crushed Oreos, sprinkles, and marshmallows. So we've made our yummy and amazing milkshakes, Oreo and vanilla, and oh my goodness, they look perfect. It just looks so gorgeous.